Our strategy has always been to offer innovation that matters, to offer the highest quality products and availability and consistency in a way to make our customers look great. Rochester Concrete Products is a full-service hardscape manufacturer. We provide segmental retaining walls, concrete pavers, wet cast slabs, and large format walls to the professional hardscape market.
We're at a big turning point in our company. We're entering the face mix market. We've been manufacturing pavers for a very long time, but we've never manufactured face mix pavers.
We really started by adding to our capabilities through our people. Once we had that done, then we started on the new manufacturing plant in Jordan.
This new plant gives us the ability to manufacture face mix. But there's other companies in the United States that make face mix, so we had to come out with a special plant. A plant that changes the game as I see it, to offer face mix products that currently are not available on the market, and also offer products that other manufacturers can't do with their older technology.
Really the big thing when we were coming up with what we wanted to accomplish was thinking about what happens in the backyards as contractors are installing our products.
So what we've created with this plant is 4 new standards for face mix. The first one being color. And what we want to give them is consistent color year round.
There's really a couple key components that really allow us to offer that new standard in color. Number one, we have a microdoser that is in virtually no other plant in the country. We dose color to the gram versus the pound. We also have quad oscillating belts. What our belts let us do is lay color in a dynamic fashion across the belt that creates a much more natural aesthetic and blend. The last thing that lets us really help deliver that color is our computerized control system. So from a microdoser to our mixers to our belts, everything is controlled by a centralized computer, and it programs all those things automatically so that we're incredibly consistent from run to run, which gives us vibrant color, but it also gives us incredibly consistent color from batch to batch.
We've got a whole new level of pavers that we're bringing to the market, technology that no one has seen before.
We went a step further with quality. All of our heads are heated heads. The reason why we chose to do that was it allows the product to run wetter, and then every time we stamp it out, we always have perfect edges and perfect surfaces. Also, 60% of our pavers, we treat them as they come out of the machine. One of the big advantages of treating a paver is it'll never fade. And that's something that you get with this new plant and our products. When it comes to availability, this plant has 4 times the capacity of our old plant. So we're very confident that our products will always be available to the contractor. The final thing is innovation, and that's really why we chose the Hess machine, because we wanted to have the most innovative plant making the most innovative products in the industry.
Jeff and I have traveled all over the world, visited all sorts of manufacturers and suppliers. When we decided that we were going to invest in a new plant, we really sat down with our manufacturing partners, and Hess makes an exceptional machine. And when you marry that with our ACT Wiggert batch plant, we've created a facility that really has no peer in the Americas. And what that does is that gives us a huge advantage as we look towards the future in providing faster solutions to our customers.
With our technology here in place, the H2000 is probably the most powerful machine in the market. We are quite proud of our machine and what gives the guys here at the Jordan facility.
What we can do better than anybody else is that we can make larger format paving stones. And this machine and this plant is able to manufacture those products to a very high level of not only quality, but also efficiency.
What gets me excited about this new plant is we're going to be able to make retaining walls, we're going to be able to make pavers that the market has not seen yet. We're going to grow the hardscape industry with a number of the products that we're going to be coming out with.
So excited to be in Jordan, Minnesota today, excited to unveil our new 45,000 square foot facility. Most excited really not for what it does for us, but what it does for our customers and what it's going to do for contractors in the backyard and making their life easier.
These guys are just scratching the surface with what they're able to do with the technology that's in the plant. There's a lot of unrealized potential that's there. There's a lot of equipment that we're not even using yet. That's what is really exciting as we go further down the line, as these guys start to figure out exactly what the capabilities of this new equipment is. This is an exciting time to get involved with Rochester Concrete Products.